Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Jack and Emma English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here today. I am very, very happy to see you all.
I am happy too, Jack. You look great today. How are you?
I am doing very well, thank you. I have my green tea, the sun is shining, and I am ready to talk. And you, Emma?
I am fantastic. I had a very good morning. I went for a walk in the park, and I saw many flowers. It was very relaxing.
That sounds beautiful. A walk in the park is always a good idea.
It is, but today, Jack, we have something very special for our listeners.
Oh, I love special episodes. What is it?
Today is a Q&A episode, question and answer.
Wow, that is great. I love answering questions from our friends at home.
Me too. We have many messages from people all over the world. They have questions about learning English and about life.
That is so cool. I am excited to help.
But before we start, Jack,
Oh yes, everyone, if you like our conversations, please click the like button right now. It is a big help for us.
yes, it really is. And please subscribe to Mr. English channel. We want to make many, many more podcasts for you.
And don't forget to share this with your friends or your family. If they are learning English, they can listen and learn with us.
Exactly. Okay, Jack, are you ready for the first question?
I am ready. Let's do it.
Okay, our first question is from Anna in Mexico. Anna asks, I am very busy with work and my family. How can I find time to study English every day?
Oh, that is a very good question, Anna. Many people feel this way. Life is very busy.
It is. I think everyone feels a bit tired sometimes, just like you were last week, Jack.
Yes, exactly. My advice for Anna is this. Start small. You do not need 2 hours every day.
I agree. 2 hours is a long time. What can she do instead?
Well, she can try the 10-minute rule. Just 10 minutes of English.
10 minutes? That is very short.
It is, but 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours only on Sunday.
That is so true. You can listen to a podcast like our podcast while you cook dinner or while you are on the bus.
Yes, or you can read one short story before you go to sleep. 10 minutes is easy to find.
I love that. And you can even practice while you brush your teeth. You can think about your day in English.
I am brushing my teeth now. I am washing my face. It sounds funny, but it works.
It does. So, Anna, don't worry about big study times. Just 10 minutes a day is a great victory.
Good job, Anna. What is the next question, Emma?
The next question is from Hiro in Japan. Hiro says, I know many words, but when I speak, I forget everything. I feel very nervous. What can I do?
Oh, Hero, I understand you perfectly. Feeling nervous is very normal. It is the #1 problem for many learners.
Jack, what do you do when you feel nervous?
Well, like we talked about in our confidence episode, I remember that mistakes are my friends.
Yes, mistakes show that you are trying, but Hiro says he forgets the words.
I think Hero should practice mirror talking.
Mirror talking? Tell me more.
It's simple. You stand in front of a mirror at home. You look at yourself, you smile, and you talk.
Talking to yourself?
Yes, you can talk about your day, or your favorite food, or your hobbies. Because you are alone, there is no pressure. No one is watching.
Ah, I see. So if you forget a word, it is okay. You can just look it up or try a different word.
Exactly. It builds the muscle in your brain. When you talk to a real person later, your brain remembers the feeling of speaking.
That is a great tip. And remember, hero, you don't need to use big, difficult words. Simple words are beautiful.
Yes, I am happy is just as good as a big, complex sentence. Communication is the goal, not perfection.